guys, it's Vishali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this memo board. It's very easy. As you can see, the material that I'm going to use here, it's a cardboard box, a carton, which is something like this. So if you do not have such kind of box, then you can use a cardboard, cut it in rectangle shape. So here I'm using this box. So first we need to stick these openings with tape. So this is how I'm sticking this. Now we need to wrap this box, or the cardboard that you're using, you need to wrap it up with such paper. Here I'm showing you a quick procedure how you can wrap this box. So these are the steps you can follow. It's okay if you do not have such paper. You can use any fabric also, fabric of your choice, and wrap over the cardboard. So this is how this board will look after wrapping the paper. Let's complete this memo board by using few more items like jute thread and clips I'm going to use here. So the next thing is to wrap this jute thread around this board like this. Just randomly wrap this thread around the board. So this is how this memo board going to look after wrapping this twine. And the next thing is to hang these cloth clips. So randomly hang these clips. Time to hang all the memories or things, all sort of things like photos, reminders that you'll probably forget, the bills or anything that you want to hang. So that's all for this little DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. So give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and for more DIY videos do consider subscribing my channel, and also press that bell icon to get the notification of my new video uploads. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.